Hi there everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will learn about meaning, nature and characteristics of management. Definition of management. Management is nothing but the process which consists of planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling an organization to accomplish the goal. If we define it more simply, it is the art of getting things done through people. We have many more definitions for management. According to Henry Fayol, management is to forecast and to plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate and control. According to F.W. Taylor, management is knowing exactly what you want to do and then seeing that it is done in the best and cheapest way. Functions of management. There are basically 4 management activities. They are planning, organizing and staffing, directing, and controlling. Planning. It is a basic function of management. Moreover, it is a first step in management. Planning is the process of determining the objectives and charting out the methods of attaining those objectives. More simply, planning is deciding in advance what to do, when to do and how to do. It bridges the gap between where we are and where we want to be. Planning is necessary to ensure proper utilization of human and non-human resources. Organizing and staffing. It is the process of bringing together physical, financial and human resources. It helps in developing productive relationship to achieve organizational goals. Staffing. Actually, it plays major role. In this we need to assign right work to right person. Organizing involves some steps. They are identifying activities, grouping the activities, assigning the duties, delegating responsibility and authority, and also establishing a good and healthy relationships with everyone. Directing. It is the process of instructing, guiding, influencing, and motivating the colleagues to achieve organizational goals. Directing involves 4 activities. Supervision, overseeing the work of subordinates by their superiors. Good communication. That is passing information, opinion from one person to other. Leadership, guiding and influencing the work to his subordinates. Motivation, inspiring the subordinates with zeal to work and give their best for organization. Controlling. It is a process which ensures everything occurs in conformity as plan adopted. Controlling involves establishment of standard performance, measuring current performance and comparing with established standards, and corrective action if there is any deviation from the plan. Nature and characteristics of management. It is a continuous and never-ending process. Because the manager has to plan and organize all the activities, he has to give proper instructions to his subordinates, and also need to control all the activities. The manager has to perform all these functions continuously. Therefore, management is a continuous and never-ending process. It is an art of getting work done from people. Here the manager do not do the work themselves. They get the work done through the employees. Management is result-oriented because it gives a lot of importance to results. For example, increase in profits, increase in market shares, etc. Multidisciplinary in nature. Management is a very difficult job because it has to manage different people with different emotions, feelings, etc. Therefore, management uses knowledge from many different subjects such as economics, IT, psychology, sociology, etc. Therefore, it is a multidisciplinary in nature. Management is a group activity, not an individual activity. It follows established principles or rules, such as division of work, discipline, etc. These principles help to prevent and solve the problems in the organization. Aided but not replaced by computers. Nowadays all managers use computers. Computer helps the managers to take accurate decisions. However, computers can only help management. Computers cannot replace management. Thus management is aided, not replaced by computers. Situational in nature. Management makes plans, policies and decisions according to the situation. It changes its style according to the present situation. Thus management is situational in nature. Need not nay on ownership. In small organization, management and ownership are one. But in large organizations, management is separate from ownership. Management is both an art and science. Management is all-pervasive. Management is necessary for running a business, educational and charitable institutions. Therefore, it is all-pervasive. Management is intangible. That means it cannot be seen and touched, but it can be felt and realized by its results. The success or failure of management can be judged only by its results. Uses a professional approach in work. Managers use a professional approach for getting the work done from their subordinates. They ask their subordinates to give suggestions for improving their work, and they also encourage subordinates to take the initiative. Management is dynamic in nature. That means, management is creative and innovative. An organization will survive and succeed only if it is dynamic. It must continuously bring in new and creative ideas, new products. So that's all for this video. Thank you. We will meet you all in the next video.